Oh hey, this is probably not the best way to barbecue. That is no way to do a barbecue. And so, you know, I love making guys heroes. And so one day my boys, they came over, they're all grown and stuff, and they were saying, "Dad, you forgot to teach us how to barbecue." And I'm like, oh man. So we scoured at Atlanta, and it happens to be right here in Marietta, in our backyard practically, that there is a barbecue cooking class. And we thought, what a better thing to give away on our men's night out, Thursday, December the 20th from 6 to 8, than an awesome cooking class. I mean, I love to cook. I don't know many guys that don't like to get out there and barbecue or cook on the grill. And so this class is just amazing. It's more of a workshop than a class, because it's all hands-on. You're going to cook over 200 pounds of meat. You're going to start at 7:30 in the morning with breakfast, and then you're going to learn about your meats. You're going to have lunch, and then at dinner it's a banquet, and so you get to invite your wife and to come share with all the things that you've made all day. I mean, what better way to go home a hero than some fun stuff like this? And so, but it doesn't stop there. It's not just for you, it's for you and a buddy. So it's two. And so you get to invite a friend, come on out and do all that. And so here at David Douglas Diamonds, we want to send you home a hero. And one of the ways to do that is we have our men's night out. Low key, just come on in, do a little shopping. It's Thursday, December the 20th from 6 to 8. And you might get a chance to win this barbecue class, or there's other cool gifts that we're raffling off too.